Now let's simplify. Let's simplify. What? We are having 5. 5 square root of 75 minus square root of 2 plus square root of 27. Okay, how do we solve this? Solution now is equals to 5 square root of 75 minus square root of 2 plus square root of 27. All right, now is equals to 5 square root of 25 multiplied by square root of 3. This is the same as this one. And then we say, no, this is 12. 12, not 2, square root of 12. All right? Plus, it's minus square root of 4 times square root of 3 plus square root of 9 times square root of 3. I hope you are following. This is the same as square root of 12. This is the same as square root of 27. This is the same as square root of 75. 5 minus plus. All right, let's go further now. We go further. Is equals to, we break down the 25. We say 5 square root of 5 times square root of 5 times square root of 3. All right, say minus square root of 2 times square root of 2 times square root of 3. Now we go further. Now we say, let's add this. We don't have a space. We will say plus square root of 3 times square root of 3 times square root of 3. This is the same as 9 square root of 9. This is the same as square root of 25. This is the same as square root of 4. All right, now let's go further now. As we go further, we say is equals to this and this. This square root of 5 is square root of 5 is square root of 2 is. All right, we say 5 times 5 square root of 3. And then we say minus 2 square root of 3 times 3 square root of 3. We are simplifying. Now this, and then you say 25 square root of 3 minus 2 square root of 3 plus 3 square root of 3. All right, now this minus this is equals to square root of 3. 2 minus 2 plus 3 square root of 3. And then this is equals to 25 square root of 3. Then we say this is positive. After this is positive, we say this and this give us 26 square root of 3. 26 square root of 3. Nice and simple. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you very much.